gonna scrap some junk out of a body shop. Look at this. I'm gonna tear it right up the car. Hercules! This guy's giving me. Watch out! I'm gonna throw this out. This guy's giving me some radiators here. There's junk way up in the corner over there. See it? And anyway, we're gonna load this truck up and try to make 50 bucks today. We don't know. All right. Here's what I got. I got 2 radiators. I got a piece of aluminum. Rest of it's some hoods and body parts, a couple of doors. Okay, I'm off to the scrapyard. You guys have been asking for some scrap videos. Best I can do. See you later. $24.55. You wonder why we quit scrapping? Well, this is ridiculous. That truckload was about 320 pounds of steel, 6 pounds of aluminum radiators, and the grill was $3.50. Okay, scrapping we won't go.